Today I am going to tell you about Emmet plugin. In this video I will complete guide you about Emmet, its introduction, installation and why most developers like this package. Hello guys, my name is Tanvi and you are watching Dark CSS channel. So first of all, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notifying about my upcoming videos. Now, what is Emmet? Emmet is a third-party plugin for web development. It reduces most of developers' time on writing HTML and CSS code. Emmet is a toolkit that helps developers to write down large code blocks in HTML in a few lines using Emmet shortcuts. Emmet shortcuts help us to writing large HTML code blocks in few seconds by just writing few lines of code. Emmet is a plugin or package that we can install it in any text editor like Atom, VS Code, Sublime, Bracket and Extra. In this video we will install this package in Atom text editor. So let's start. I hope you have already installed Atom text editor. So open the Atom text editor and go to the top of the menu and click the file option. Then click the setting and then go to the install option. You can see here search box. So simply write here Emmet. Now you can see here the Emmet plugin is showing with option install. So in your case it shows you install option. Then click and install it. After the installation is completed, then close the Atom text editor and restart it. Now you can see here we have created a file named emmet.html. Here we will practice our Emmet shortcut. So the first shortcut is exclamation for writing starting text of HTML code. So here the top here write exclamation and then press the tab button. By pressing it, it will write all starting HTML text including meta text. So if you don't want to write meta text, then you can simply write here DOC4. Click the tab button. You can see here automatic Emmet write starting HTML text without meta text. So you can see that how Emmet is useful for developers. Simply we write one letter a word, Emmet makes it a complete code. That's why most of the developers use this plugin in their text editor. Now the second step is how to write another text in HTML file like paragraph tag, heading text, etc. So for heading tag, we simply write H1 and press tab button. It automatically makes it heading tag. For paragraph tag, we write P and press tab button. It makes the paragraph tag. And for another text, write the name of tag and press tab to make a new tag. Now the child tag. To make a tag and write a tag inside a parent, we simply use Emmet shortcut. Write parent tag and then add greater than sign. Then write child tag, press tab button. Simply we have add tag inside tag. Another example of child, make a name tag by its child UL tag and li tag. Now to make sibling of tags, write a tag then add plus. By this we can make multiple siblings tags. Grouping of tags. By this method of Emmet, we can make a parent tag inside its siblings and then its child. To make it, simply write div, add small bracket, inside it a header tag, then greater than sign, then UL tag, inside it li tag, multiplying by 2 means 2 li tags. Close bracket plus another sibling tag, footer, inside it paragraph tag. Press tab. You can see here we write a shortcut and Emmet makes it complete. This is why most of developers use it. Now for the ID and class attributes. For class attribute, simply write dot and without space write name of the class. Press tab. Automatically class will be added inside a div. And if you are adding class else div, then simply write tag name, then add dot and class name. Press tab button. It's easy way to add class or ID. Adding multiple classes in one tag, then write tag name, then dot class 1 name, dot class 2 name, dot class 3 name. At the last press tab. Simply we can add by this way. Now for the ID attribute, write tag name, then write hash, then name of the ID and press tab. Multiplication. How many times one tag you are going to write? For that way, simply write parent tag, then its child, multiply how many times, then add its child, press tab. You can see here, we have add one tag many times by multiplication shortcut. Inside it, we can add classes to all tags by multiplication method. And class name change by numbers of it changes by adding dollar. Press tab. You can see classes are changed. Class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. Now for linking external file, we have shortcut link and press tab. Now put here file name with extension. CSS shortcuts using Emmet. Now we are writing CSS code with Emmet shortcuts. For this, we are linking basic properties and values in CSS. So for margin property, we write M press tab. And if you are writing margin left or right, then write M:R for margin right and M:L for margin left. And method for padding right P press tab, for padding right PR, for padding left PL. For clear property write CL, for color write C press tab, and for maximum width write MAW, minimum height write MIH, for width write MIW. Now for font write F, and for font family write FF. If you are writing font family with value, then write FF, then colon. With value for times New Roman font, simply FF colon, then T press tab. That's all. For Vardhana font, FF colon H. Now for font weight shortcut, write FW, and with value write FW colon B for bold, FW colon value like 600 or 500 to value 500 or 600. FW colon L for font lighter. For text decoration, write TD press tab and colon N for value. For text align with value, TAL colon R for text align right and TAL colon L for left. For background property, write BG, and for background with default value BG plus press tab. For background image property BGI press tab. For background color BGC press tab. Transparent background value press BGT press tab. For content property CNT press tab. Now for color write C press tab and color with value RGB, then C colon R press tab. For border BD, for border right BDR, for border left BDC. So this was a short tutorial about Emmet. Here I am teaching you simple use of Emmet. For its complete shortcut in HTML or shortcuts for CSS properties, I have provided a chat sheet slide of Emmet in description. You can download and learn from there. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Thanks.